Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites: stable power, solid ground, and tight connectors. These are the most common culprits. Once done, capture a baseline trace for 10 to 30 seconds at your operating sample rate so you know the magnitude and frequency of the shake. While recording, inspect the mount and nearby equipment for vibration sources and note ambient temperature. Thermal changes and loose hardware explain many oscillatory errors, so mark what you find before proceeding. Now address the middle of the problem: reduce noise and resonance. First, apply a low-pass or complementary filter and tune the cutoff so you remove vibration but keep useful motion. This filters high-frequency shake. Then improve mechanical isolation. Swap soft mounts for well-damped pads, or add mass to shift resonance below your signal band. Finally, update calibration and enable cross-axis compensation in firmware. These correct bias and coupling that amplify shaking under motion. Finish by validating and fine-tuning. Perform closed-loop tests and tweak PID or sensor fusion gains in small steps while logging outcomes, because big jumps hide the true behavior. If shaking persists, swap the gyroscope with a known good unit and test on an isolated bench to separate hardware from software faults. If things still go wrong, first recheck for tiny loose screws and nearby switching electronics. Electrical interference and micro-looseness are frequently misdiagnosed as sensor failure, so rule them out before replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.